Hi y'all, it's Beth here. I'd like to look a little bit at the rest of the course. We're in week 5 now, and we've got a month and a little bit left of this term, and I'd like to see what we will be doing so that you will be ready for it. Now, if you look down here right below the syllabus in the beginning of the course, I have due dates for the entire course. And I suggested that you look at this at the very beginning of the course, and now we're looking at it again. Right now we're at week 5, the formal proposal. Next week we will have the works cited draft due on Sunday. So this is the week when I'm going to expect you to do most of your research for your paper. Week 7, the only assignment is a rough draft that you'll share through Google Docs with your group members. I've already sent you their email addresses. Week 8, peer editing at least 2 of the classmates. Hopefully you'll get some ideas from what they're doing. Improve your own work. Help your friends. Then week 9, your research paper is due on Friday. You will have had plenty of time to do it by then. Notice week 9 is also the week that ends with Memorial Day weekend. The paper is due the Friday before Memorial Day weekend. If that creates havoc for you, let me know. You will have had plenty of time to deal with it. It will have been almost 2 weeks since your rough draft was due. So hopefully it will be fine. Now what I want to talk about is the last 2 weeks, week 10 and week 11, finals week. We don't have a finals in this course. You're welcome. 3 small assignments due. The multimodal project, I will be expecting you to take your thesis from your research paper and translate it into a different modality. Choreograph it, draw pictures, do a PowerPoint, do a Prezi presentation. I've had people do blogs, I've had people do videos. Anything that you can think of. We live in a day and age where text is no longer enough. Do a collection of memes, other images. Social media reflection due. I used to, before the pandemic, ask people to consider taking a challenge and do without social media for a certain number of hours. Now I don't, but I ask you to reflect on what social media it means to you right now. Then a self-evaluation due the last Wednesday of the term instead of a final. Plenty of instructions given to you week by week, but I want you to get an idea of what's coming up. And as usual, anything I can do to help, let me know.